Okay, let me take a breath back first. I will explain to you in more details the 4 different forms of technical analysis. Analysis. I say technical analysis or whatever is not about fundamental is the same. So the most popular one is fundamental technical analysis. I got another one is called price action analysis. Another quantitative option analysis. Okay. So let me explain to you how this one interval work. Okay. Fundamental analysis is in accounting financial term is analyzing a bank statement competitive interest rate production cost what you call the mode housing. So whether is what supply and demand business whatever it is. So these are annual financial statement analysis and report. They called financial analysis. So this one for trading purpose is have limited, in fact have no use at all. I repeat, if I'm doing trading, not relevant now. Because why? The financial analysis report or earnings report come every 3 months. 1 year only come 4 only. And only how long go a trade? Of course, if you're investing for 5-year cycle or 3-year cycle, then the FA will come to play 5-year cycle, 10-year cycle, or want to buy long-term value investing Okay, if you believe in such things But me, I've been that, done that. I don't believe in value investing, because value investing imply you think the current market is stupid, then you are right to say that this company is undervalued, and in the long term you go out in value, but now the market is stupid. I respect the market. I respect the market. There is a different set of game, my friend. When you say trading using options or using shares, we can talk about this later on. I have a separate class for this one. Trading different ball game. If you use options then we'll use option premium analysis for earnings report. Sorry, earnings announcement. Next, FA, understand correct? Next, technical analysis is a means of predicting price movement in the financial using historical. Look at this This one is what? This chart pattern is 1 year low, 1 year Okay, I can draw all the nice. I can use because of his based on the last 500 candles. I can draw indicators I can draw channel I can draw Fibonacci I can draw multi-year low This one is how many years? This one is about 3 years long MACD his success statistic CC China everything moving averages. All these are based on historical price. Okay, this is only good if you believe the analysis, technical analysis, the price stay the same. The price pattern stay the same. There is no other factors that change the price. That is good. So if you analyze the last 50 days candles, that is called technical analysis. Whether you use whether you use indicators or whatever, same. If you analyze the last 5 years chart pattern, that is called technical analysis. Any questions about technical analysis? Next, price action analysis. Price action analysis is different from technical analysis. Technical analysis is past day. Use back 50 candles, 100 candles. Use back 5 years chart patterns. It's called technical analysis is use of wrong data price movement. Okay, your trading strategy is based on naked or integrated future. Another disclaimer I need to tell you that for my price action trading, I'm referring to the last 5-10 candles only. I repeat, I refer for real world trading. Beside his trade is raw data, natural price, in indicator free or naked. Dr. Fu have a trading naked class anyway. Okay, if you want to take out them. But normally I base on the last 5-10 candles only. If I go back 20, 30, 40 candles, that is no longer technical analysis. That is no longer price action analysis. Okay? For those who don't know what I'm talking about, my student, okay, look, my students ultra students okay, see me how to trade non-farm payroll. That is price action analysis. Technical analysis is what? Crossover using moving averages. Yes, if you back in trading 1980s, 1990s, yes, it worked. In 2000 and 2020, current market situation, it do not work. I tell you first, moving averages works quite nicely 30 years ago. 15 years ago, still okay. But nowadays, no. Okay? The reason why, I tell you one thing, because the market is moving, there's no consistent trend trading. The moving averages and things like that is excellent if there is consistent trend. But today's market, if you look at it, the trend is only valid for 3 months, 6 months only. So I don't do it. Sorry, who is Simon? Eric, who is Simon? Okay, anyway, so you understand price action, price action up. Price action refer to clean charts, no indicators, no moving averages, nothing else. One look can see. One look I can see here. Okay, this company Conference Expert was going in a sideways market trading at trading a range approximately at 126 127 128 level hit a high of 140 then after earnings shoot up to and test 160 now it's trading on sideways range between 153 and 150 sorry 160 153 and 160. Okay, any questions about price action analysis? By the way, if you use scalping methods, if you use candlestick scalping method, is a more more intensive, shorter versions of price action trading. Any questions about price action analysis? I use method to trade everything because a good trader, one look can see everything really. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, this candle is about 1 month long. It's about less than 1 month. Okay, the chart low is 127, 128. The immediate high before the breakout is 140. After earnings report, shut out, gap up to test 162, 163, 164. After that, then go sideways. And now have a range between 158 to 160 level. Any questions? I don't know why people like to draw knife, draw shear, things like that. Okay, but anyway, don't mind. To age their trading skills. If you feel that if you feel like having 10 indicators, like 10 indicators like this, like 10, like this guy got 10 different indicators, whatever it is, nothing wrong with it. It's your money, your life. Me, if you cannot handle one look like that, can explain to people, then having some like giving excuses like that. Any questions about technical analysis versus price action value? Price action analysis. You all can see my charts, see my thing lah. Any questions? Okay, this is my style of trading. Okay, quantitative options and trading analysis, not trading. It's basically trading based on option premium price of each option strike, each option expiry. This style of trading, if you base on style trading, do not need to analyze chart patterns or see charts at all. Okay, now let's try to work simple. Look at this trade. This company is what company? I've forgotten already. This company is a $200 company. You can see now on 21st of August, 42 days away. You can see now the bid price is $9.30, $9.40 for 215 and the money call. Out the money call is 220, 110, 115. You can see all the numbers here. So these are reflective of positioning trading. Okay, from you can see basically we can look at it. We can tell you point blank what is the bid price, ask price. 930B. This is the cheapest, so-called cheapest highest buying price. The highest, cheapest selling price, okay, is 2940 from C, B. Okay. So these are options. You can see we got 14 days, 21 days, 25 days, 42 days. Can go up to January 2022. 5 days later. So every one of them, every strike, like 215 strike, is different from each individual expiry. So because the buyers and sellers have a price, so we can base on the buying selling price to predict what is a buyers and sellers sentiments for that thing itself. This one is more reliable than technical analysis because technical analysis is based on what? Based on historical price. Okay, options is present tense, future tense, because the person who buy at 9, who want to sell at 940 must factor in this company underlying movement from now to 21st of options. If everybody know this company can go by $50, who in the hell the world want to sell options at $9.40? Okay, so option pricing is present tense, future tense. Okay, technical analysis is past tense. Price action value is present tense. We trade only the last 2 candles, 3 candles only. Any questions about past tense, present tense, and future tense? Have. Okay. That means do I have a list of what we call good options liquidity? Yes, I have. I have a list already. In fact, the day I show you a list of about 28 different companies. Remember 2 days ago I showed you a list of 28 different companies. Those are tested to have what you call good options. This type of trading is only valid for what? Good options companies. If like the USOH, wow, that one cannot trade. Any questions? So let's go back again, repeat again. Market analysis, for which you can analyze to determine trading opportunities. Fundamentals, technicals, price action analysis, quantitative option analysis. So fundamental is self-explanatory, is all the FA all the annual reports all the financial statement all the EBIT all the cash flow ratios and things like that. Price technical analysis is by go and analyze back the last 6 months 6 years last 60 days or Thomas last 5 days candles and price action. No, last 5 days candles if you analyze it based on 15 minutes candlesticks do you know how many candlesticks you have now? 5 days okay, one trading session is 7 hours. 1 hour is 4 candles or 15 minutes. So 28 candles times 5 days is 120 candles. So if you use 120 candles and analyze 120 candles of 15 minutes each to analyze a trade that is not price action that is technical analysis. Okay, so it's not time frame, it's how many candles you analyze back. Price action is what? Basically raw analysis is as a norm. We tend to shorten it. We look back at the last 5, 10, 15 candles to trade. In fact, in some cases, if I, like me, I trade non-farm payroll, I look back only 1 candle, 2 candles only, okay? in young, when market is market give me opportunity, I don't even look back, do back one candle. In fact, I may do the first candle, I may enter a trade already. So end of the day, which one method is better will depend. It's not which method is better. It's dependent on the market opportunities. After the market opportunity is feasible for you now. Do you have the skill set, knowledge set, capital resource sets, emotional resources? Yes, yes, yes. Then go ahead. Price action value is based on option premium, based on the price of each option strikes, each option expiry. Any questions? Send me a chat, send me a message if you have any questions.